All right, welcome back to Das Lab. This is a little short one where we're just talking about some kitchen tips and things like that. You know, when you're using different spices and whatnot in bulk, and you need to get a certain amount. I used to use this to scrape off to try to get one, in this case, a teaspoon or something like that. And that just kind of happened by accident. And as you can see, I'm almost out. So I bought a new one, and instead of doing it by accident, I actually did it on purpose, where I cut a nice line across there, and then when I scrape it off, I get my level teaspoon. And as you know from watching my videos, I'm not always a big one for measuring precisely, but in things like this where you're getting these active ingredients for making breads and all that stuff rise, sometimes it's pretty important to get the right amount. So I don't always use the right amount, but sometimes I do. Some other little tips I had, all my common spices, you get it from the bulk barn or some bulk supply or something like that. I found these at the dollar store, quick and simple little containers, and I just keep them here. They stack nicely on my shelf, and basically what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 15, 30 commonly used spices right at my fingertips. And if you can tell, the ones with the black lids are the ones that I'm probably going to use more often, right? I got the black pepper, cinnamon, chili, cayenne, ginger, salt. All right, so that has worked out really, really well for me. The key is put the label on the jar and on the lid, because if you have a bunch open, then you can get the right lid back on the right label. Just putting it on the side here doesn't help, because I can't see what this one is without having to pull it out. This way it works pretty good. And one other little tip in the Das Lab kitchen is when you get over here, when you buy your bulk ingredients, again, keeping it in a bag may not be the best way to store these things, so I ended up putting them in clean, sterilized mason jars. And as you can see, I go through these things quite a bit. Whole wheat flour is one of the ingredients in some of the breads that I make, so obviously running low, and you can see we got a whole bag of it back there. All right, so well, that's the first time you've seen inside my kitchen cupboards. Might not be the last time. We'll give you a tour the whole time, something like that. But for now, that's it. Have fun, keep it real, and don't get any on you.